Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to backup, move or transfer Google Photos in your new phone. So first you need to go to Play Store and search for Google Photos. Here, if you see any updates available, update it, or else you can open the Google Photos. So you will need to log into your Google account. If you haven't already logged into your Google in Google Photos, it will ask you to log into your Gmail account, and you just need to log into the same account which you had signed in your previous phone or your old phone. After you've logged in, you just need to go to the profile in the top right corner and you will need to turn your backup on. So here below your account, there is an option called backup. You just need to click on this button and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.